Replacing the temple on the Tempo 2 frame. With each temple kit comes 2 snap and tap screws and the temple. I like to use a small paper clip and open it up so it looks like this. I take the small end of the paper clip and thread it through the temple barrel. I then apply some pressure on it to open up a gap in the temple behind the barrel right there. So when I take one of my snap and tap screws and put it down into that gap and then release the pressure, that will hold the snap and tap screw in place. Then I'll take the temple and I'll put it onto the frame. And I grab my other snap and tap screw and thread it down through the temple barrel. So it goes all the way through to the other side. That will release the first snap and tap. To get it down to the threads, I flip it over. I push down to get the screw threads into the temple. Then using my optical screwdriver, I tighten the screw and snap off the back.